Are you a content creator constantly juggling multiple income streams, struggling to manage your finances, and wishing there was a bank that actually understood your unique needs? If so, you're not alone. For years, the traditional banking world has largely ignored the burgeoning creator economy, leaving millions of independent artists, entrepreneurs, and digital innovators to piece together financial solutions not designed for them. But what if there was a bank built from the ground up, specifically with content creators in mind? What if there was Relay Bank? For too long, the financial landscape has been a bumpy road for content creators. You've got your ad revenue from YouTube, brand deals from Instagram, Patreon subscriptions, merchandise sales, affiliate links, and maybe even a few freelance gigs on the side. Each of these represents a different income stream, often with varying payout schedules and reporting methods. It's a fantastic problem to have, multiple ways to earn, but it quickly becomes a logistical nightmare when it comes to tracking, budgeting, and, let's be honest, paying your taxes. Think about it. Most traditional banks are set up for predictable, salaried income. They offer basic checking and savings accounts, maybe a credit card or a small business loan if you can jump through enough hoops. But they don't grasp the ebb and flow of creator income, the project-based nature of your work, or the significant expenses often involved in content production. You might have a massive brand deal hit your account one month, followed by a leaner period as you work on your next big project. How do you budget for that? How do you ensure you're setting aside enough for taxes without accidentally spending it? And what about the business side of things, paying your editors, graphic designers, or even for that new camera you desperately need? This is where the traditional banking model falls short, and it's precisely the gap Relay Bank aims to fill. Imagine a financial partner that speaks your language, understands your hustle, and provides tools designed to make your financial life simpler, not more complicated. So, what exactly is Relay Bank, and how is it different? At its core, Relay Bank is a digital banking platform meticulously crafted for content creators. It's not just a fancy app, it's a comprehensive financial ecosystem designed to address the specific challenges creators face, from income diversification to expense management and even future financial planning. Let's break down some of the key features that set Relay Bank apart and how they directly benefit you, the content creator. Streamlined income management, your financial command center. One of the biggest headaches for creators is tracking all those different income streams. Relay Bank tackles this head-on by offering robust multi-channel income aggregation. Imagine connecting your YouTube analytics, Patreon dashboard, Shopify store, and even your PayPal account directly to your Relay Bank account. Instead of manually tallying up earnings from disparate sources, Relay Bank pulls all that data together into a single, intuitive dashboard. You get a real-time, consolidated view of your total income, allowing you to see exactly where your money is coming from and how much you're truly earning across all your platforms. This isn't just about pretty graphs, it's about giving you actionable insights. You can identify your most profitable channels, understand seasonal fluctuations in your income, and make informed decisions about where to focus your efforts. No more guessing games, just clear, concise financial data at your fingertips. Intelligent budgeting and expense categorization, know where every penny goes. For creators, expenses can be just as complex as income. Equipment upgrades, software subscriptions, studio rentals, travel for collaborations, contractor payments, the list goes on. Traditional banking apps often have generic expense categories that don't quite fit the creator lifestyle. Relay Bank, however, comes preloaded with creator-specific expense categories. Think video production, software subscriptions, brand deal expenses, merchandise fulfillment, and marketing and promotion. This level of detail makes it incredibly easy to categorize your spending accurately, which is crucial for tax purposes and for understanding your true profitability. But it goes a step further with intelligent budgeting tools. Based on your historical income and expenses, Relay Bank can suggest personalized budgets for different categories. You can set limits for your spending, receive alerts when you're approaching them, and even see how your current spending aligns with your financial goals. This proactive approach helps you avoid overspending and ensures you're allocating funds wisely to support your growth. Dedicated savings buckets, master your financial goals. One of the most powerful features of Relay Bank is its emphasis on dedicated savings buckets, or what they call pillars. This is a game changer for creators who often struggle with setting aside money for specific purposes. Imagine being able to automatically transfer a percentage of every incoming payment into a tax savings pillar. No more last-minute scrambling when tax season rolls around. Or creating a new gear fund where a small portion of your earnings automatically goes, slowly building up towards that new camera or editing suite you've been eyeing. You could have a future investments pillar, a vacation fund pillar, or even a rainy day creator fund for those leaner months. These pillars aren't just separate accounts, they're integrated into your overall financial view. You can see your available spending money clearly separated from your dedicated savings, eliminating the temptation to dip into funds earmarked for specific goals. This psychological separation is incredibly effective for maintaining financial discipline and building long-term wealth. Simplify tax preparation. Take the stress out of tax season. Let's be honest, taxes are often the most dreaded part of being a self-employed creator. Keeping track of income, expenses, and deductible items can be a massive headache. Relay Bank is designed to ease this burden significantly. With its robust income aggregation and detailed expense categorization, Relay Bank generates comprehensive financial reports specifically tailored for tax purposes. Imagine a report that breaks down all your income by source and all your expenses by category, making it simple to hand over to your accountant or even file yourself if you use tax software. They also offer estimated tax payment reminders, prompting you to set aside and potentially pay quarterly taxes, preventing any nasty surprises at the end of the year. Some rumors even suggest integrations with popular tax software, further streamlining the entire process. This level of support can save creators countless hours of administrative work and significantly reduce the stress associated with tax season. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.